In this video, I'll guide you through how to remove watermark in Filmora. If you find this useful, please consider subscribing and like this video. First, you have to download a good screen recording software. For this tutorial video, I am going with OBS Studio. After download OBS Studio on your computer, then you need to install it. Now open Filmora video editing software and click on this player drop-down box and make it full quality. Now you need to start to record your screen by using OBS Studio. And come back to Filmora and you need to click on this full screen icon. Now go to the first part and play your video. After play the whole video, you need to close the full screen. Now go back to OBS Studio and stop recording. You need to make sure you enable desktop audio before record Filmora video. Now let's see your output video. By following this easy video, you can easily remove watermark in Filmora, and this method is fully legal. By following this easy tutorial, you can easily remove watermark in Filmora.